Hi there. We are excited to introduce a new product for the Jeep Wrangler JKU from Wheels Feels. To install, begin by unscrewing the standard 4 carpet mounting screws. Proceed to install the left support under the top cover and connect it with 2 screws. Next, install the left rear support using 2 screws and repeat the process on the other side. Once completed, the frame is assembled. Place the assembled frame in the trunk of the Wrangler JKU. We recommend cutting off any protruding carpet to prevent jamming the drawer. Utilize the 4 screws from the kit to fasten it to the floor through the brackets. Install the left and right front supports, then insert the box. It is crucial to ensure that the drawer slides face the sliders directly to avoid potential damage. If uncertain about inserting it straight, it's advisable to seek assistance. The installation process is simple, quick, and does not require drilling, modifications, or pose any other problems. The fit is perfect, and the left and right covers, which are removable, close tightly. If you have a subwoofer, the kit includes a cover for it. Additionally, a lock has been added to prevent quick and quiet drawer opening. If desired, the top cover can be detached from the middle support by removing the hinges, creating a pull-out platform. We have also provided the option to fix the mesh in different positions. The box is spacious and durable, with plenty of space in the side compartments. It can withstand 250 pounds when fully open, and the lockable guides are fixed in both open and closed positions. As with all our products, a table with a sink and faucet has been included, fitting inside the drawer without interfering with closing. The table offers a large area for eating and cooking, and you can close the cutout under the sink to utilize the entire table area. The sink is foldable, has a drain, and a large volume, with a faucet that can be installed in 2 places for convenience. Now, let us demonstrate how you can live in your Jeep. Move the seats and backrests as far forward as possible and fold down the rear seats. The package includes 3 platforms and 8 supports, each platform labeled for easy identification. It is recommended to install the supports first and then the platform for optimal ease. The platforms attach to the organizer via brackets, and small supports add additional strength. Tested from personal experience, each platform can easily support 2 adults. Our platforms provide living space without removing the rear seats and are quick to put on and take off. There is ample room inside for a comfortable overnight stay. All our products are available in 3 coatings: a varnish, soft carpet, and a black durable coating. Varnish and black coatings are 100% waterproof. while carpet requires drying if liquids come into contact with it.